Let's be real, automating those repetitive tasks between your business apps usually means coughing up cash for commercial services like Zapier. But today, we're jumping right into a foundational alternative. We're looking at a platform that lets you wire up all your critical business tools without those absolutely punishing scaling costs. Yep, we're talking about n8n.
Okay, let's dive into this. If you're relying on cloud-based services like Zapier right now, you might actually be stuck in a massive pricing trap. Zapier is incredibly popular, and sure, for good reason, but it charges you based on the number of automated tasks executed every single month. So what does that actually mean? It means the more successful and active your business gets, the faster your costs just skyrocket. Picture this. You launch a new marketing campaign, and boom, it unexpectedly goes viral. That's amazing for your business growth, right? But suddenly, that massive flood of new leads triggers thousands of automation tasks, resulting in massive, unexpected overage fees. You are literally being penalized for growing your automation. We really need a way to break free from these constraints and build an automation layer that scales with your success, not against it.
Here's our roadmap for this explainer. We'll start with the cost of automation, define exactly what n8n is, explore its key features and workflows, put it head-to-head against Zapier, discuss the security and limitations of self-hosting, and finally, look at how to actually make the switch.
Section 1. The cost of automation.
When we look at active business automation, the contrast here is just staggering. On platforms like Zapier, you're easily burning $50 to several $100s monthly, sometimes even into the thousands. It all depends entirely on your task volume, and it scales up aggressively as your data flows increase. On the flip side, self-hosted options like n8n operate on an infrastructure-only cost. Because of its lightweight architecture, hosting it on a modest cloud server typically runs you just $20 to $40 a month. And that flat server cost remains the exact same whether you process 100 tasks, 10,000 tasks, or 100,000 tasks in a single week. You're paying for the server space, not the individual data movements.
Section 2. What is n8n?
So the crucial point here is that n8 isn't just some cheaper clone. It was explicitly built to be a self-hostable alternative since it launched back in 2019. Now, 2019 was a pivotal time for this to emerge because businesses were universally starting to feel the pinch as cloud costs began rising across the board. n8 is released under a source-available license. This means small to medium enterprises finally have a genuine, highly capable alternative that provides a powerful automation layer completely free of per-task pricing constraints. You own the infrastructure. And while we're focusing heavily on the self-hosted version today to unlock those huge cost savings, it's worth noting they do also offer an official n8n cloud-hosted option with a free tier if you just want to test the waters first. And this right here brilliantly illustrates a real-world scenario for a growing SME. Let's say you have a CRM for sales, an accounting platform for invoices, and a project management tool for your operational team, and they are all completely disconnected. With n8n, when a new deal closes in Step 1, it automatically triggers Step 2, securely syncing that new customer data directly into your accounting platform. Then in Step 3, it automatically creates a corresponding active project in your management tool. Think about what this means for your daily operations. Zero manual duplicate data entry, absolutely no copying and pasting between a dozen browser tabs. This is a massive quality of life upgrade for a busy team, giving you seamless data movement across your stack so your employees can actually focus on high-value work instead of data entry.
Section 3. Key features and workflows.
The feature set here is incredibly robust, proving you absolutely do not sacrifice capability when you leave per-task pricing behind. Right off the bat, you get a visual drag-and-drop workflow builder. This is huge because it means you don't necessarily need to write code to design multi-step automations. It connects natively to hundreds of popular business tools. But here is why technical teams absolutely love it: the custom JavaScript code nodes. If a pre-built integration doesn't cover exactly what you need, your developers can write JavaScript directly within the workflow. Add in conditional logic that adapts to specific data, webhooks for real-time external triggers, and scheduled recurring executions for things like daily financial reports, and you're set. Plus, the robust error monitoring is a total lifesaver. Anyone who's dealt with standard automation tools knows the absolute nightmare of silent failures, where an automation stops working and you don't even find out until a week later. n8n catches those errors, giving you a true enterprise-grade automation engine.
Section 4. Zapier versus n8.
When we look at this direct comparison, the trade-offs become crystal clear. Zapier is fully managed, meaning they handle all the server upkeep, but you pay a premium for it with that per-task pricing, running into the hundreds of dollars a month. n8n requires you to self-host using Node.js or Docker, putting the deployment responsibility on you, but your task-based pricing immediately drops to zero.
You just pay that base $20 to $40 server cost. For businesses running significant automation volume, say constantly syncing thousands of e-commerce orders, marketing leads, or support tickets, avoiding Zapier's pricing model can represent annual savings well into the thousands of dollars. That's budget you can redirect right into actual growth. Not to mention, n8n's custom code capability offers a level of infinite flexibility for complex operational logic that pre-built integrations alone just can't match.
Section 5. Security and limitations.
For a lot of businesses, this right here is a massive win that goes far beyond just saving money. Cloud-based services ultimately limit your control because your data is passing through a third-party server. But self-hosting n8n keeps everything, all your automation logic and your encrypted data flowing entirely within your own internal infrastructure. If you're operating in heavily regulated industries like finance, healthcare, or legal services, keeping that data flow internal isn't just a nice perk, it's often a strict legal necessity to maintain compliance. Plus, n8n ensures that the credential storage for your connected services is heavily encrypted, safely locking down all those API keys, tokens, and passwords right on your own private server.
But are you ready for the responsibility? We have to honestly discuss the technical barriers here. Self-hosting requires genuine familiarity with Node.js or Docker deployment. Unlike Zapier, ongoing maintenance, server security updates, and creating regular backups of your workflow configurations, that is entirely your responsibility. Also, while n8n has a highly active community regularly adding to its library of hundreds of integrations, it's still undeniably smaller than Zapier's massive mature marketplace. If a niche app isn't supported, you'll have to build the connection yourself. Frankly, businesses with absolutely zero technical resources, no in-house developer support, and very simple, low-volume automation needs might still find Zapier's fully managed simplicity entirely worth the premium cost.
Section 6. Making the switch. All right, let's look at how we can build a highly effective, safe transition plan. Because remember, automation logic doesn't just magically transfer between different platforms with a click of a button. You have to actively recreate it. Step 1. Don't move everything at once. Prioritize your highest value, most frequently used automations first to capture the biggest cost savings immediately. Step 2. Manually recreate them using n8n's Visual Builder or by deploying their official Docker Compose configurations. Step 3. Test them thoroughly with dummy data. And Step 4. Run both Zapier and n8n in parallel briefly. This parallel run is vital because it ensures absolute business continuity and heavily reduces the risk of data gaps while you confirm the new system is firing correctly. Following this structured path, most SMEs can complete a full, safe migration within about 3 to 6 weeks.
As you onboard your broader team to this new system, keep these essential tips in mind to ensure long-term success. Avoid the common mistake of building overly complex workflows right out of the gate before you establish a baseline of confidence. Start simple, like syncing new leads from your website to your email marketing tool. Crucially, document your workflow logic clearly. Picture a key employee leaving your company, and suddenly the rest of your team has absolutely no idea how your sales funnel is magically updating your CRM. Undocumented automation becomes a total nightmare to maintain. Set up that error monitoring immediately so you don't risk those silent automation failures we talked about. And lastly, make sure to actively involve your technical team in reviewing any custom code nodes to ensure the overarching logic remains clean and maintainable for the future. To summarize our ultimate takeaway for this explainer, what truly sets n8n apart is how beautifully it combines the accessible, visual workflow building you love about commercial platforms with genuine self-hosted control and absolute zero per task pricing. It functions as the natural, powerful connective automation layer for any SME looking to build a resilient, self-hosted tech stack. By the way, in our next explainer, we're going to be looking at Grafana, which is an incredibly powerful free platform for data visualization and building operational dashboards, so definitely keep an eye out for that one. I want to leave you with this provocative thought as we wrap up today. Seriously evaluate your current tech stack. If your business takes off and your automation volume doubled or tripled tomorrow, could your budget actually survive your current pricing model? Or is it finally time to take control of your own infrastructure?